Sonic, Toad, Luigi, Yoshi, Zombie! Wait. What the? Nuclear bombs! Whoa! Nuclear everywhere! That's so cool! Oh my. Ah! Zombies! Please don't eat my brains! Ah! Oh my damn god! Oh shit, there's zombies! Ah! Please YouTube save me! Please YouTube save me from zombies! Oh, come on! Where's the weapon? I don't have... Okay, I am a Mushroom King Carta, and I have to fight the zombies. Okay, I'm scared. Who are you? Okay, I think I should jump. 3, 2, 1. Wah! Oh my goodness, I am always ready. I should make more nuclear bombs. More nuclear bombs. More. Wow, such a rainy day of evilness. And then when all zombies drop, I will destroy everyone in the world. And I trap Mario's brother Luigi.